wanted to take a minute to show y'all what I got in the mail today. I am so excited. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and I finally was able to get it. I'm so excited. This is an all-in-one hooper, and I thought I would open it up. I've got it initially open, but show you what we have in the box, and I'm hoping that this is really going to save time on my hooping. So let me set the box down and pull the items out. The first thing we have here, let's see, is the accessory kit. Let me get some scissors. This is a all-in-one hooper. I ordered this from Coleman & Company yesterday actually, and I got it today. It was pretty cool. Of course, I only live an hour and a half away from their warehouse, but I had to have it shipped because I have to work and couldn't go over there. So, in the box, we have the pamphlet from the company that makes the all-in-one hooper, and the Learning Center paper that has helpful videos on how to use this. Here is a user manual. This is a user manual, more description of parts and what's in the box. There's a thumb drive here, and by looking it up, this is the user manual, and it also comes with a PDF of whenever you have an order and you have a place that you set your hoop to do, say, a left chest logo. You can write down on that PDF paper and print it out with your order. And each time, if you have a repeat order, you can just pull that out, look it up, and you know exactly where your hoop is supposed to be placed. Okay, we have a free left chest cap digitized design. They gave us a free design here at Tex Inc, I guess. I have to email them with my design that I want digitized and a coupon code below. Thank you 20, so I might take them up on that. And I could also get a free embroidery design pack. Cool. Alright, what is this? This is the parts. Let's see. Alright, this is the top brackets and the brackets that hold the stabilizer. That's a replacement for a smaller one. Here's a larger one, or a larger tubular. Yeah, this is the large one for if you're doing using a large hoop. We have all the disc, and the nuts, and the bolts, and the washers, and the lug nuts, and all of them. Here are some C-clamps. There's 2 of them. And let me see. This is some more parts. This is for Melco hoop brackets. Doesn't apply to me. And we've got another one here. Let's see what this is. This is the Leveler Pro. This right here is the arm that holds the sleeve, and it has a lot of instructions and everything. It seems to be well packaged, well thought out. Looks like they provide you with everything that you need. Okay, let's set this down and pull out the main device. This puppy's big. All right. This is cool. Very sturdy device. Got a lot of stickers and stuff on it already placed. And I'm going to have to come here on the back of this is a screw, which what I assume that you would put into the table to support it. I don't actually have a table that I want to put a screw in, so I think what I'm going to probably end up doing is creating a piece of plywood, maybe create a piece of plywood that's thick enough for the screw, and then set that on the table. I think that's what I'm going to try to do, but I'm going to be using this before I probably get to that. So, made in the USA. Gotta appreciate that. And so, I think we've got everything out of the box, and I showed you all the pieces. So, next, I've got an order coming up that I need to fulfill for a local electric company. He wants some left chest designs done, and we will get to use the hooper. I'm so excited. And when we come back, we will show you how to use it. Hey y'all, I have my all-in-one hooper set up on my table. I have it clamped down to this table, and I spent most of yesterday just kind of playing with it, trying to figure out how it worked, watching all the videos on it, and I think I like it so far. This is my big test right here. I've got a small run of about 5 shirts, I'm sorry, for to do here, and I have already set it up to do these pocket tees that I have. I have some medium and large, and what I found out was due to the sizing of these style of shirts, I don't really have to change anything between the medium and the large shirts. They do have a pocket, makes it a little bit easier, but this is just a full test run of how long it's going to take me to do 5 t-shirts. The design is just simple words above the pocket. It's about, I'm running it at 700 stitches per minute as far as the speed goes, and it takes about 3 minutes to stitch out this design. So we're going to put this thing to use. Okay, I have my bottom hoop. I already have my stabilizers cut out here. I'm doing 2 pieces of the poly mesh stabilizer. It works really good on these shirts. Scoot the go. Okay. We've got that pinned. I'm doing a medium here. I think the biggest benefit to this thing is the fact that it holds the bottom hoop. That is the biggest thing that I used to fuss with when hooping, because even though, I mean, I could put stuff down on a table, keep it from sliding around, I just still had a hard time lining it up and, you know, getting it hooped. I spent more time hooping than doing anything else. All right, I can feel that my pocket is pretty well centered this way on the thing. Okay, and I look at to see if my pocket's kind of straight with my bottom line here, and we're looking pretty even there. Okay, let's pop this on. All right, we're looking good there. I'm also using just a small little piece of water-soluble stabilizer, and just kind of put it on that thing right there. Use a little bit of baste and spray.
Okay, there's one. And one important thing is make sure you remember to hoop it the right way. That's one thing easy not to pay attention to. Okay, make sure I'm in the spot. Okay. Okay, let's scoot this down just a tad. Oops. Kind of make sure that making sure that I'm right in the center of that pocket. Okay. Okay, there we go. That's stitching out. Let's hoop another one. I know doing these before, often I was still trying to hoop something while this one was sewing out. So this has already saved me time. Okay, all in all, since we started doing this video, we've done the 5 shirts, hooped everything, and done everything within about 20 minutes. So I thank you for taking the time to watch and seeing this thing put to work. Purchased this through Coleman & Company. I'll post a link below for the all-in-one hooper. And the embroidery machine we used today was the Avance 1501C. Also purchased at Coleman & Company and Coldesi. based out of Tampa. There's links below. I appreciate you watching.